renovating a store to give it a new look, what are the main priorities to consider, from the shop floor layout to the signage, products display to positioning of the counter? So, and I'm not giving you like my free business makeover on my Facebook page, but I will say the first place you start is you look at what's not working now. So ask your crew, what do you hate about the store the way it is, or the back room? They're going to tell you things that are going to open your eyes, like this is really inconvenient, this is inconvenient, great. Then I'll also understand how people walk into a retail store in the Northern Hemisphere. Again, those of you like Chris that are in the Southern Hemisphere, it's the exact opposite. But the Northern Hemisphere, that's in Canada, US, Europe, etc., we walk into a store and we go to the right. That's just what it is. I don't know why it is. We go counterclockwise. So if you put your counter up here on the right as I walk in, what's going to happen? Exactly. People, as they walk around, they're going to pick their items up and they're going to come to the counter, and now you've got a traffic block because people are walking into customers. That's never good. So your counter, instead of being as you walk in on the right, it really would ideally either be in the middle or off to the left. Now, I know there's big companies that spend a lot of money and their cash registers are all the way in the back. I don't agree with that. A, because your employees are all in the back and shoplifting is really easy. Second, no matter where you put the counter, they're going to hang out there because it's safe for them. So having them all the way at the back of the store isn't really good. And then third, the visibility is nobody sees anybody working in the store, and I think that's really dangerous. So I think the where you put that is really important, and understanding your floor layout, and then understand that 80% of your money is in that first third of your business. So that's where you've got to have the best lighting, should be LEDs. Don't comply and go as cheap as you can with the cheapest fluorescents and have some dark cave. Hollister learned that doesn't work. Abercrombie & Fitch has learned that doesn't work. People shop where there's light and where they can see people. And if you want to find out more about that, which I would suggest you do, get a copy of my book, The Retail Doc's Guide to Growing Your Business, because I actually talk about a lot of this stuff already in here. And for $20, you can find that out as well too.